Hey all, it's Dr. Paul, and today what I am doing is going over my restaurant business plan template that I've updated for 2025. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and go over a little bit of information about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we're going to dive into my restaurant business plan template, and I'm going to show y'all what updates I've made for 2025. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. As promised, just a little bit about me. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, or any kind of writing for that matter, just make sure to reach out and contact me. Be delighted to help with a business plan or again, any type of writing or research that you may need done. I'm also a business mentor and a business consultant. So if you need some help for business growth, strategic planning, marketing research, and other types of research, again, reach out. Be delighted to assist. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as a subject matter expert for business and finance. So if your business plan is ready to go, but those pesky financial projections are kind of tripping you up, again, reach out to me. Be delighted to help for financial projections as well. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and dive right into our star of the show. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about my restaurant business plan template, specifically the updates that I've made for 2025. So, if and when you do purchase the restaurant business plan template and you open it up, you're going to be greeted with the title page. And the title page, I haven't made any changes to it. The next page is going to be a table of contents, so you can go ahead and update that as you add more information. The executive summary stayed the same as well. Any highlights that you see in yellow, go ahead and put your information in there. And the first section that we are going to come to that I made some updates was the business objectives and timelines for month 1 through 3, 3 through 6, and 6 through 12. In here, I've added more information to go ahead and further clarify some outlines as to how you can go ahead and some business objectives for a restaurant that you can target that are generic and specific enough for restaurants, but broad enough for y'all to go ahead and modify and make them your own. So, like I said, I expanded this section right here, and I use AI for a little bit of input as well. So have fun with this. And just know that this section has been updated for 2025. The next section that I updated was the industry analysis. As we all know, it's critical to have industry research in your business plan, and you want it as up to date as humanly possible. So what I did is went over to IBIS World, and I obtained their single restaurant, full service restaurant report, and I extrapolated some information from there. I updated it for my for the template, and it's now updated, ready to go for 2025. So all these revenues and the profits, profit margins, and good stuff like that are now updated, like I said, for 2025. The third and final segment, and we got our SWOT here. Organizational structure, I haven't changed this information, so this is pretty much the same. Organizational charts, the same as well for this year. The next section that I added was I expanded a marketing section for the restaurant business plan templates. Networking is an absolute critical component of any business's success, and this is especially true for restaurants. So what I did is I went ahead and added a networking section that you can go ahead and, it's only a couple sentences. It's not a whole lot of meat on the bone, but it is a great foundation for you to either fill in this one piece of information right here, which is your company name, and now you've addressed networking, or it's a great starting point for you to go ahead and expand the information and build it out and again make it your own. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. These updates are for again 2025. Yeah, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So, in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the business plan template does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. The Word document is in Microsoft Word, and the financial model is in Excel. So you do need to have both soft pieces of software in order to use them. I also include some business plan tutorials. So if you're interested in some tutorials, these are done by myself, and just go to this link right here. There are some limitations to my business plan templates. It's not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products like Pages. Now, if you have an Apple machine, if you have a Mac, and you have Office 365, I've heard some good things about that. But other than that, just keep that in mind that it's not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, I do not offer free phone support. I'll make sure that you get the template, it's downloaded. But if you want some tutorial, you want some training, check out this link right here. Or I do offer custom training, one-on-one, but there is a fee for that. And then finally, if you do want to purchase a business plan template, visit this link right here. And to wrap it up, if you are interested in custom business plans, if you're interested in business consulting or financial projections, just visit my website. I've got prices for my services at this link right here. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and have a phenomenal day.